Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Skid and Pump from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing Skid's head. Draw a large circle on the top here. Now let's draw the eyes. Draw an oval here on the right side. And then a larger oval next to it on the left. Then inside, draw a smaller oval in each eye. And then color each eye in black. Next, let's draw the mouth. Starting from the right side, draw a curved line under the eyes and back up. Then continue that line back down and follow that same curve back over to the right. And then color the mouth in black. Now add two diagonal lines above and below the mouth on the left here. Now let's draw Skid's hand. Underneath the head here, draw a circle. And then a diagonal line from the left side of the face down to the hand. Now another diagonal line for the other side of the arm here. Next, draw the same shapes inside the hand and the arm and color it in black to make the lines thicker. Now before drawing the rest of the body, let's draw the top of Pump's head first. From the side of the hand, draw two curves over to the right. Let's draw the rest of Skid now. Draw a diagonal line here for the side of the body. Then a curved line under the head. Now draw two more diagonal lines in the center here and color it in black in between. Next, draw thick curved lines on either side. Now one more curve down here. And then color in the section below it black. Next, let's draw the other arm. Draw 2 diagonal lines out to the right. And then a circular shape at the end for the hand. Now follow that same circle inside and color in between black. Then add a curved line down the arm. And then color the bottom section in black. Next, under the left hand, draw a sideways oval. And then another oval inside and color it in black in between. And that's it for skid. Let's draw pump now. On the left here, draw a bent line for the stem of the pumpkin. Next, let's draw the eyes. Draw an oval shape here. And then a longer oval next to it. And then add ovals inside each eye. Now color the eyes in black. Let's draw the mouth next. Draw 2 V shapes on either side like this. Then short lines down on either side that curve inwards. Then connect it across. Now draw the opening of the mouth underneath like this. Let's close off the shape of the head now. Draw a line down on the right side stopping here, at the same height as the top of the mouth. Then finish off the head with curved lines like this. Let's draw the hand on the left side now. Under the head on the left, draw a large curve up for the finger. Now another finger out to the left. Then another set of fingers out to the right and left like this. Let's draw the body now. Draw a V shape under the chin here. Now draw a diagonal line down for the side of the body. Next, in the center, draw a line across. Then finish off the shape of the right foot like this. And then the left foot. Let's draw the other hand and microphone now. Draw a circle here for the microphone. And then add the detailed lines inside. Now draw 2 diagonal lines between the head and the microphone for the arm. Then finish it off by drawing the hand like this. And that's it for Skid and Pump. Let's quickly color them in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.